I am live. That is great. We love to see that. I'm expecting, yeah. I am live. And audio works. Wonderful. Thank you. You don't have to say it again. Hello there. Hello. I need my thingamajig. I have my stream chat open. Coffee in hand. Everything is amazing. I find it funny, the screen I use for monitoring the stream is pretty crap. The colors are just wrong. Every other screen agrees the colors are pretty. This thing, I can't raise it too high. This thing, verbatim, the colors are, they feel off. I can't say what. It feels just a little green tinged. Echo. Maybe if I set it to standard. DCR. What the fuck is DCR? I have no idea. Brightness. Does it get any brighter? No. How do you go back on this thing? Yeah, long press. Right. Okay. Hue is 5. Right, I shouldn't be playing around with... Oh, that looks correct. That looks less wrong. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, I think we're good. How do you leave that? I have no idea. The menu will disappear. Otherwise, it's not blocking anything important. Right. Hello. 0 concurrent view. Right. What am I doing today? That's a good question. Give me issues. So I kind of want to wait a little bit longer. I feel like it's a bit early to... I tried a new method making coffee. I can talk about that. I tried making the coffee with less grinds or less ground. Ground way coarser, and let it rin like until the cup is full, and it's actually quite good. It's not as strong as like an espresso, which I normally drink, but it's a good 17 or 5 p.m. coffee. To be honest, it's more like 6 p.m. at this point. Oh, my cat will want to be fed. Oh well. Let's just I can't see the right button. Oh, that's a different camera. Hello there. What am I doing today? That's a good question. What am I doing here? I want to re-encode images. I don't want the images to be full size when you upload them. I mean, you upload them full size. The question is, should I do it in JavaScript or in C#, essentially? I think the better idea is in JavaScript. So if you look for types or JavaScript library, TypeScript library, re-encode images. convert images to JPEG. Okay. Oh my god. That is not what I want. GIMP, an image processing library for Node written entirely in JavaScript with zero native dependencies. Cool. I suspect you're gonna do that. You're gonna probably create a canvas. You're creating a canvas. You're drawing the image onto the canvas. Great. Cat, you're putting hair in my coffee. Cats. Is something important? On the contrary. Okay, so that is a bad idea. The advantage, I already found something for C# that I can use. 6labels made a library called ImageSharp. And ImageSharp looks to be pretty much what I need. We can build it manually. It's licensed under their random weird split license. 6labels split license. But when you look at the license, you're consuming the work in for use in software license under this open source or source available license. I'm doing that so I'm licensed under Apache version 2.0, which is great. That's exactly what we want. Now, I want to read some documentation. What is custom properties? Is there documentation? No. Okay, I'm just gonna include ImageSharp into my where was I? Right, Rider. We want to go into Rider and NuGet packages. Where is my NuGet packages? Structure, pull requests, commit, more tools, NuGet. NuGet packages, ImageSharp, 6label ImageSharp. Oh, interesting. They have a web middleware. Europe-based APIs. Okay. I want to install the package in on the Media Shelf web, and I'm just gonna read through what we can do. So, ImageSharp dot. Please tell me you didn't. 2D graphics API. Okay. So 315. Image in 6labels.ImageSharp. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. 6labels.ImageSharp.image. T-pixel. Okay. Image. Encapsulates an image which consists of pixel data for graphics images and its attributes. What? No. So we've got color, number point, rational rectangle size, image frame, like the basics. Basically everything you would need. We've got some more namespaces, interesting. Let's just try making an image. We've got load, creates a new instance of the image class from the given byte span. The pixel format is automatically determined by the decoder. Okay. It reads the raw image information from the specified span of bytes without fully decoding it. Okay. Load async is probably what we need. And in here we could do probably some sort of, oh my god, my typing right now. Pixel creates a new instance of the image pixel format. We don't need to define pixel formats. We want to put a stream into this. So request body dot body, and we have to wait it, obviously. I'm gonna say image in here. I'm gonna yeet that. So now we should have an image. I want to actually go here. We should have an image. Hi, Tiffy. So let's just declare a variable image equals load image, and then we'll say image dot tpixel2 save async to file content memory stream, and we'll rename this to new image stream, converted image stream. And you probably want something else as well. You want an image format. Image format stream image decoder. This image source image format. Save async. Oh, new BMP GIF format, JPEG format. New JPEG. Probably we have to say JPEG format dot instance dot, and there's like a bunch of stuff. That's good. So wait, and then we'll just like save it to the database. But in between, I want to resize it. Image dot size image dot save. Oh, there's like an extension method for that. Save as JPEG async, and there we go. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. So we want to image dot resize maybe. Image dot size. Mutate. Clone. Accept visitor. Has valid nullability in emotion. What a flip is in emotion. Detect encoder accept visitor mutate. Underscore dot, and we want, there's probably a resize here. Quantize, resize. So we've got a hi Holken. We have to think of a resolution. So I've got a, where the hell software on a media shelf. I've got an asset. No cover.jpg. It's 600 by 800. So we'll just image. Oh, we have to preserve aspect ratio. Passing 0 for one of height or width will automatically preserve the aspect ratio of the original image or the nearest possible aspect ratio. Resize, new resize options. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. Resize mode dot max. Constraints the resized image to fit the bounds of its container, maintaining the original aspect ratio. That's exactly what I need. Okay. And we just need to like define 600 by 800. Okay, this is amazing. Like this library, gee, I love it. I love this library. Can recommend. Like if it works, obviously, it might not. It might just not work. All right. So I want to put this into constants. So we'll who texts me? Who dares texting me? No one. It's my habit tracker telling me I have to take my my medication. Where was I? Right. Where do I put that? I'll put it here. And I'll oh my god, implement pagination. There's a to-do there. There's a to-do there that will never be fulfilled. No one will ever do this. Yippee! So, I need to do the private const c underscore int c underscore image max width equals 600. Image max height. Oh my god, it's Discord. Who dares Discording me? Is it important? It's the big question one has. I got booped. So we are saying C image max width and C image max height. We've got that in constants now. So if we ever need that, I guess it's like there. Why water? Smile. Okay. Which camera is on? Here, take some pets. At TV. I mean, everyone is invited to take pets from me, but I guess, I guess, life or things and stuff. Also, things and stuff are amazingly thingy and stuffy. Mutate. Is there an async? No. Save as JPEG async. We're converting it to the stream, and then we're just yeeting that stream into an array. What am I doing? Okay. I want to restrict how large the files get. That's what I was doing. I forget things. Oh, you're welcome, TP. So we need our Swagger UI over here, pretty please. And I just want to check out whether, oh my god, this doesn't work on Linux. There's a way to duplicate a window in Firefox on Windows, and it doesn't work on Linux, and it's frustrating. Why? Oh, because OMSDB. Docker start OMS Docker run, no. Docker up, no. Docker start OMS underscore DB. Oh, I didn't enable it. Sudo systemctl enable Docker. Created symlink, thank you, and then we'll start it. Sometimes I wish programming was easier. You know. Hey, there we go. That is broken. Oh well. We need not shelves, all items. And I want to upload a new image. I don't know, from pictures, there's probably some fun picture in here. Like this image. Submit, and it's probably gonna crash. Did it work? Oh, it did. It, like, just worked. Open image in new tab. It's 600 by 450. It just works. I love people who write libraries. They're just smart. And they're like, I will make this thing be smart. And then I'm like, I will use this thing that's smart. I was looking at the wrong camera. I can do this. I will use the thing that's smart. Oops. I pressed it twice. Okay. That was easier than I thought. Let's just cd online media shelf, cd documents /software /online media shelf, git commit -am implement image resizing. I should actually be more cognizant of what I'm pushing where. Because I've got like one pull request, git push, that's on improve item page. I'm currently pushing to improve item page. And it's kind of out of place there. Whoops. Git. It should be, no. Implement image resizing, yeah. This branch has no conflicts with the main branch. Cool. Someone want to do a code review? Okay. Where did I put my empty mug? I guess here. I wanna go here. Here. I just got distracted again. I need to. Oh my god, that's such a lot of code base I changed. There's so many files. Jesus Christ. Okay. We did that. There's a few things I need to adjust. So inclined up. Can I change that? Oh my god, that is worse. Oh Jesus Christ. Where's the reset button? Thank you. What was my brain thinking? My brain was thinking something. There's a few bugs we have to iron out before we can push this to main. On the one hand, if we like look at online media shop, like creating an item works perfectly well. Create an item, except that fields are not optional. That's like in issues. Edit items is also like enable editing items and keep a history. I already did that. Number 18 is also in the pull request for number 1. Why are people spamming me? Ugh. So edit items, hide barcode with small devices. I think that's also implemented. Actually, is this reachable per IPA? I'm gonna try something real quick. Ten 17187. 187. I mean, yeah, sure. You need to put port behind it as well, which is 57687. 57687. I should probably open my stream tab. Monkey working. Okay, no, it's not. It's not hosted to the How can we change that? I want to go into properties, launch settings. IS Express, no. 0000. HTTP 0000. And hosting assemblies SPA proxy. And I think invite config. API. Change origin true. Okay, sure. Oh, actually, I shouldn't change these. These should be localhost for here. Host colon 0000. Okay. That should work now. Secure connection failed. Thank you. I know. I'm aware. Jeez. HTTP. Oh God, I hate using phones. HTTP. Okay. We good? Okay, we good. Wrong camera. Again. Focus. Pretty please. There we go. So we've got our phone. And I'm gonna try. Oh my God, how did you set up wireless debugging? That was a pain. I'm not doing that right now. I don't have a USB slot anymore. I have a laptop. I'm on a laptop right now. I only have 2 USB ports. Actually, I might have more. Do you expose a USB? No, you do not. Idiot. Oh well. I am gonna put you on pause for a second while I try to find a functioning USB hub. Also, I'm gonna feed my cat. I think my cat wants to be fed. I'll see you in like a minute. No USB hub could be found, but that's fine. I probably I already forgot why I wanted a USB port. Oh, I wanted to debug with my phone to use whatever. I can do something. Is the cable long enough? Is the big question right now. It might be long enough. If it didn't, okay, that's fine. Oopsie daisy. Again, this is fine. Everything's fine. Trust me. I'm good at this. Okay. So this is fine. Okay. I have an idea, which is probably the worst idea I've ever had. I have to go a bit further away. A bit higher up. So, actually, I would like it to be behind me more. Can I do this? Look down a bit. Come on, focus. Yes, set. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna unlock my phone and then I'm gonna press this button and I'm gonna transition to this. And we've got my phone. There we go. Focus. Isn't this amazing? USB stick. No, I didn't want a USB stick. Anyways. Right. So we've got online media shelf on the phone. It actually works really well. It's surprisingly good. So we've got all items, and that is a thing. That takes up a lot of space, and I want it to be collapsed by default. So I need to get the screen width. Okay, we're putting you in manual focus. That is a note from me. There we go. Oh my god. I should put my phone into do not disturb mode. Anyways. Right. So I want to check out. Yeah, okay, this is good. That's good. You can select a file. Media picker, please. Like if we wanted this file, we can submit it, and then we have to refresh. That's a thing I need to do. So submit it, and if we look at our computer screen here, it's not submitted. Okay. Submit and cancel and refresh. No, that didn't work. It didn't throw an error. Okay, so we've found a bug. That is fine. What I actually wanted to do is... Oh, I'm not allowed to submit. I'm not logged in. Oh. These buttons shouldn't be shown to me. Obviously, the server side forbids anything when you're not logged in, but the client side doesn't. Okay, first issue. Let's just auto back. First issue. Bug. Okay, we're not making an issue for this. We're just fixing it. Item view. Right, where do we go from here? We have an item view. We have these, and we should hover, and so we've got some user data somewhere. I don't remember where, which is would probably be a good idea to know how do we deal with user data? Like, add item to shelf dialog. No. Shelf view shelves. Shelves.txt. We probably implemented this. User use context, user context. Oh my god, I used context. Wow. Manual mode, just like the DSG. What's DSG? That was right. Item view. So we've got user, use context user, and we use the context user in here. Hover and user dot current user dot is logged in. Otherwise we don't do this. Also the same for edit item. So I'm just gonna put this in an if. Whoops, current user is logged in, and that. And that should in theory work. So we've got our normal site. That's good. And then we'll refresh the site on the phone. And I don't have an edit button. It's so amazing. I'm gonna cut to my phone. I said I'm gonna cut to my phone. I don't have an edit button. Like I can do whatever I want. I can't edit it. This is probably a good idea to make a sign up. I'm gonna change that later. So I'm gonna transition back. I'm gonna actually make an issue. Feature, because that's something that I don't want to build right now. Feature. Item view should show red login, if not login to add item to shelf instead of always showing ad. Okay, that is very descriptive. That is a very long title, but that is fine. I can deal with Schaltgetriebe, the most common automatic transmission in cars. Oh, okay. Okay. Car things. I do not know car things. Okay, I'm gonna log in on my phone if I can remember the password I set and said I'd remember it. No, I don't want to save. Okay. Am I logged in now? No, I'm not. Okay, let's try this again. Test the password I set back then. I can't log in on my phone. What's the actual flippin' hell? What? We all love features, right? Yeah, it's a feature, not a bug. Everything's a feature if you're just brave enough. Why can't I log in? Is something in the console maybe? I'll just restart myself for now. Just like restart, let it completely flush, get everything out of the system, and I'm gonna say login, my account name, the password I chose to be very secure because this is okay. I'm gonna actually save it to KeePass now because I'm tired of typing it. G Okay. Okay. Why can I not log in? That is extraordinarily weird. Okay, but it works on this machine. No! No! How am I this incompetent? How am I this incompetent? Why didn't I realize that? How did this ever work? What the hell? I mean, obviously this can't work. Because this relays... That's just a white config. And in the production environment, this doesn't happen because it doesn't call bun. It serves it directly. So in the production environment, this is not a problem. It's a problem for okay. Brain is catching up. So in the case of this here, we're relaying any call. We're proxying the calls. But why shouldn't this work? No, wait, this works. We have like the items. No, wait, I'm stupid. Huh? Okay. Oh, maybe it's okay. 10.0.17.187. I probably have to, because I'm going from an HTTP site to an HTTPS site. This is HTTP. This is HTTPS. 72972. Yeah, 7292 is HTTPS. So going from this HTTP site to an HTTPS endpoint might be broken. Maybe. HTTP. Okay, and this doesn't have an HTTPS. I'm gonna try going to the Swagger on my phone, which is port 7292. The connection was reset because I went there with HTTP. I want to go there with HTTPS. I'm gonna say accept the risk and continue. Okay. What? Oh, right. It tried to relay me to localhost. 10.0.17.187. Okay, let's try logging in. Now that I have that, user. No. It doesn't work. Change origin true to secure false. Maybe there's like a HTTPS true. Okay, let's try serving going to the HTTPS version of this on my Pony. The connection was reset because we're on HTTPS now. Secure connection failed. No cipher overlap. No common encryption algorithms. Okay. I'm gonna user config promise. Okay. HTTPS any. Okay, sure. This downgrade TLS only when the proxy option is also used. Okay. We can't do that. I'm not happy. Why is stuff not working? Okay. So we're not testing on our phone. Long story short, I'm not testing on my phone. I'm gonna duplicate the tab and go to not Swagger to Stoop, and I'm gonna say I'm user test tester tester t. That is a beautiful account page. Okay, bug, we can't make shelves. Later, all items, the cabinet. We've got our item. We can upload our cover image, like screenshots. Maybe I have. Okay, we're gonna doop doop doop. Can I do that? No. Screenshot. By the way, this is Flameshot. Flameshot is like the best software on this planet, and I love it. So, pictures. We've got that. That's today. I'm gonna submit. So I want it to reload at this point. Hi Shivam. Shivam. I hope I said that right. I hope I didn't just insult someone. Right. Ryder. Where was I? Right. It doesn't close. Why doesn't it close? Because it's trying to navigate away. So when I press the submit button, it tries to navigate to here. It's already there. So it doesn't do it. But the upload works. So that's good. So in our, not in shelves, in items, we have to think, okay. On open props dot on open change event null data open false. Okay. What else do you want? Type null. Oh, actually, we should use undefined here. Undefined. Type undefined. Because I know what I use in my code event. Why are you complaining? Event undefined exclamation mark. Okay. So when this is the create item dialog, when I say submit, it should close. Now I hope it didn't just break my thing. No, it didn't. So that's another issue. Okay. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, so we are closing the dialog. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other dialogues. Oh, and I only need it in run update. I don't need it in run create, but I'm gonna put it in run create. And I need it in the upload image dialog in here. Maybe there's like a false reload. Flush sync. View transition, replace, flush sync. True. I mean, I can leave that in anyways, so no worries here. Okay. We have to figure that out. Okay. Okay, that just took a while. I don't think flush sync does what I wanted to. Replace. Submit. No. I don't think there's an option to do that. Um, okay. I might just like window dot window dot God, where was that? Was it window document? No, it's what wasn't document. JavaScript pause reload page. Location.reload, right. Location.reload. I don't like that. But in the update case, I might just need it. And I'm gonna remove that. So, location.reload, who's complaining? Why are you complaining? Okay, that's fine. Don't need navigate anymore. So, I'm hoping this will upload the file I select. Submit. And it works. Okay, cool. I like that. I mean, I don't like it. I built a single page application and it just reloads randomly, but it's fine. Fine. Everything's fine. We're fine. Create item dialog. Yes, Aerith, I'm wearing a collar. Is it forbidden? Am I not allowed to? Where was I? I forgot. Result is not being used. That's fine. We don't need a result anyways. I forgot where I was. No, all good, but good. I'm glad. Yeah, it's a beautiful color. Like, I love it. I forgot what I was doing. Tiffy knows. We're updating, right. We need to figure out why my input validation things. Fair. Yeah, I do not take it off. Just that's what I do, and I don't really care about doing something socially. Let's just cut to this. Wrong. Oops. So, how do I don't think it. Yeah, the YouTube pretty much describes it. I think the other question is more interesting. I'm new to your channel. What exactly are you programming? Well, this is interesting. I am writing a piece of software called Online Media Shelf. Online Media Shelves, plural, apparently. And the idea is you have a bunch of items, like if we go into... This looks like an apology video, lol. Oh my god. One moment, please. This is your fault. I'm just saying, the ukulele is your fault. It's not in tune. Oh my god, that is horrifying. I'm not gonna tune it. But for the memes, I have a ukulele behind me. She, they. if you ask so kindly. My pronouns are she, they. Where was I? Right, online media shelf. The idea is, there's a website. It's actually online, but I don't think it works. The idea is you have a lot of items, and like books, like Gear Breakers is a book, and you want to sort them, and you want to organize them. You have a lot of books and a lot of DVDs and a lot of stuff, and you just want to organize it. So you make a shelf, and in your shelf there's books, and that's essentially the idea. I can try logging in. I'm gonna where do I switch? I'm gonna switch to here. I am going to try logging in. Okay, that did not work. I'll try different passwords. Okay, try logging in. No. Cancel. I don't know my password. That is an issue because I don't have a reset mechanism. Oh well. So yeah, the idea is you have your shelves, and you can organize your items in your shelves. So you might have Linus Top's books, my collection of the best books I own and have read, and part of it is Star Wars Hair. How the hell do you pronounce that? Reinstalled Arch. Just saying, by the way. Yeah, the software is essentially an organization tool for you to organize and share your shelves. So every shelf has its own ID. So if you have friends and you want to share your top books, you can send them just the link to the book, and it's easier than just listing a lot of books every time. That is the basic idea. I've been working on this for like a while, and I think it's come a long way. I stole your cursor? How did I steal your cursor? I mean, it's probably very yummy. I'm gonna nom it, but your cursor, I didn't try to steal it. It was an accident. I didn't do this on purpose. Maybe. Who knows? So yeah, organization tool for your physical media, because I have a lot of physical media. I have DVDs, I have Blu-rays, I have books. So I want to organize them. That's what this is for. And currently, I'm struggling to figure out why my input is broken. So when you go to an item, you have an edit option. And editing an item is really cool, but really broken, because as soon as you're like, okay, this is, I made a typo, it's not Fletcher Delancey, it's Fletcher Delancey, and suddenly every other field is empty, and I do not understand why. I don't understand what's happening in the JavaScript side. Maybe I should, each child in the list should have a unique key prop. Check the render method of hero for more information. Okay. Am I using Bootstrap here? This whole website is basically Autism Simulator. Maybe. Maybe. I'm not diagnosed. Oh god, I want to do. Okay. We're rebranding. So we've got a router provider, we've got a router, we should have a header here, and there should probably be some online media shelves. Okay. Mega Autism simulator. There we go. I fixed it. It's better now. This stream is Autism Simulator. You're a great you're an amazing influence. The best influence I can imagine. I just had an idea why this might be happening. No, this can't be why it's happening. Okay, let's console log ASDF. What is that supposed to be? Is this a dab? I have no idea what this emote is supposed to be, Tiffy, but I think it's supposed to be a dab. Maybe YouTube on the website can know? Okay. Where was I? My brain is not very good at... Okay, it's only being called once, and then it's not being called again. So that's not the issue. I have no idea what's causing this. It's not handle input. It's not handle submit. Handle submit would not be called here. Console log handle submit. You think it's a dab. Okay. That calms me unbelievably that you only think it's a dab and don't know it's a dab. Love that. Handle of input. That is... we need to fix that. Handle input. Oh god. Okay, so we have our set input field values. We say use ref, and the ref isn't being used anywhere else. Input validator state of barcode. Input ref on change. Yeah, it's we're setting the ref, and we're not doing anything else with it. I don't understand why some inputs are broken and some aren't. That's what's confusing to me. See you, Aries. Have a good one. Hopefully good to-dos and not like emptying the dishwasher. So handle input is being called once, like every time I type, but I don't know. I think this calls for some inputs are just more motivated. Yeah, like the barcode input is really motivated, but all the other inputs are like, nah, why bother? Oh no, is it the placeholder? Oh my god, please tell me it's not the placeholder. It's not the placeholder. Okay. Like it's the same thing. It's an input, just a different kind of input. Break time. See you in a minute. I have been hydrated, and now the hydration is over, back to thinking. Maybe this is not the highest priority thing. New issue. When bug, when editing an item, the fields clear themselves. Ripro. Open item. Click edit. When logged in, enter value into a field. Many other fields except description and barcode will empty. Okay. Issue is submitted. The only thing I can think of right now is when I handle the input. Well, to remove the console logs first of all. Console log. Oh my god, I don't want to log the barcode. Okay, my brain just blanks. Right, I wanted to try. Let's pull this out. Set input field values from state. Set input field values from state. Why are there comments? I think I've had ChatGPT write that. Okay. Set input field values from state. And instead of props.item, we'll say state.item. State.title. Yeah, okay. I'll just like replace all of these with state. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Release year, release month, release. Oops. I don't need to string here. And release day. And then we'll like pull this out of the use effect. And syntax error. Where? Don't tell me syntax error and then not explain to me why. Oh, okay. That's fair. Okay. No syntax error anymore. That's good. Got the and I want to call this here as well. So basic idea. White internal server error expected, comma, create item dialog 107. Thank you. 107. Release month. It's a string or undefined. Well, yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. Oh, I was scrolled up. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, that just straight up doesn't do anything, and also it's now broken. Okay. That does something. But also it's now broken. Is set state not synchronous? Okay. Um, I can do this differently. Uh, duh, 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 duh. Maybe no dollar and I'm so glad for some minus of what? What? I need an explanation, I think. Um, I don't know if I need an explanation. I don't like that. I'm confused by it, and I don't like being confused. Where was I? Right. We want to do this in here. So, right, that won't do anything at all. I'm not very smart. Um, I'm so not very smart. What the hell? What am I doing? Okay. Um, um, I'm so confused. How long have I been streaming? Okay, an hour and 15 minutes. So that's not the reason I'm confused then. But it also, it doesn't, it won't. Give me the state. Console log state. I want the state. When I edit the item, offers, empty, barcode. Okay, that's fair. This is only on load, so I think I can do this without issues. Edit item. No. Okay, so that didn't change anything. Cool. That's exactly what I always wanted. What if I go press A? Okay, the cabinet. I mean, it lags behind one, but it sure has the correct stuff in there. The value, that's a string. That's a string. Habit. Okay, that's fine. It's telling me to brush my teeth. Um, um, my confusion is immeasurable, and I think 7 p.m. Is a good time to stop programming. It's dark outside, so that's just... Oops, I pressed it twice again. It's dark outside, and I think it's time I stop for now. For now. Maybe tomorrow. I'll see. It is time to stop. I'm gonna think about this. Maybe if I have time tomorrow. I don't have time tomorrow. I have time in like Saturday up next week. I'll see you all somewhere next week. I hope you have a good one. And well, see ya.